Have you ever wanted to create viral YouTube thumbnails exactly like your favorite creators in just one click? Well, today you're about to find out how. Hi, I'm Dylan with Vmake and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to utilize the brand new Vmake AI agent to generate content all within just one click. It's powered by Google Nano Banana Pro, fully integrated, and also great if you're a YouTuber or other content creator. It's exceptionally easy to use, it's free of charge. Rather than editing the video yourself, you can get the agent to help you do this. Rather than creating thumbnails, the agent can do it. See something you like and want to replicate it? Well, don't worry, the agent can help you do it. So without further ado, let's jump into exactly what it is and how to use it.
Firstly, log on to vmake.ai and sign in. On the left-hand menu, you'll then see AI Agent. Select that, and it will open up a brand new window. You then have an agent chat and all of the templates that you can actually recreate a product image to model showcase, authentic UGC videos, or instantly replicate viral thumbnails. You'll see this function here where you can select the model you would like to use. I'm going to select Nano Banana Pro. It's brand new. It provides some of the best experiences possible for creating your content. I'm going to recreate a viral MrBeast thumbnail. Replicate the same thumbnail. That's what I'm asking the agent to do. I need to upload the correct thumbnails. So firstly, I'm going to upload the thumbnail I'd like to replicate. Secondly, I'm going to upload my face that I would like to have on this thumbnail. I've written out my instructions. Replicate the same thumbnail, however, use my face here as the headshot and change the text to a great day. I then select the arrow to allow the agent to work. And it is exceptionally easy to use, and it is also free, and it will begin to process your request. The initial request has now been completed. I have an exact replica of the thumbnail I liked, but with my own face and my own spin on it. If I'd like to customize it further, I can continue to do so via chatting with Vmake. I'm going to ask it to adjust the colors. It's made the colors more vibrant, but I would like them to be completely different, so I'm going to ask it once more.
Now this would normally take me hours to do, but the agent can do it in just a few clicks.
Perfectly transformed and created a thumbnail to my exact needs based on an original one, and I know this is going to help massively with my YouTube success. Today I'm showing you an example, but please use this ethically and don't get in trouble for any copyright. And another example, here I asked it to create me a tech-orientated thumbnail where I'm comparing two of the tablets, but keeping exactly the same background as I originally had because I like that. I think it's done an amazing job here. I'm holding both of the iPads. It looks legit. I actually love the way it's kept the background. I can also tell it to add text along the back here if I would like to and continue to customize that. Now, there are many other tasks the Vmake agent can help with. For example, if you had a business where you wanted to create some content around your product, I could do this one. Product image to model showcase. Create a short social video where a virtual presenter showcases the product in the image. It's uploaded headphones, but here you can upload any image you would like to. You simply select generate. It tells me that it needs a script. I say, please generate a script. And if you already have one, you can upload your own. After processing, the agent has created a great script with my product and a presenter.
Experience premium sound with a sleek look. All-day comfort, deep bass, and crystal clear highs.
And the quality of this is absolutely fantastic.
I can then go on to download it here. Nice and easy to use, and there it goes onto my computer. I can even upload my own product image, tell it to do the same again for my hand cream. Now as well, you can bring still images to life and turn them into talking videos with your own script. But I wanted to touch on another great tool for editors. For example, you can add visual hooks and cues to your videos instantly without going into the editing process by getting the agent to do it. Add a zoom hook to the start of the video. I'm now going to upload my video. The agent would do this for me. The agent has then processed the video and added a viral hook just before, and it looks fantastic. So that's exactly what I would spend a bit of time doing in the edit normally. However, the agent can just help add those effects, instantly saving so much time. It's in the creativity boundaries. They are unlimited, and it integrates their core editing features within, making it the powerful tool that it is.
So there we go. That is exactly what the Vmake agent is, and there's why I love it. I think it's a great tool to have as a content creator, especially if you're solo, because it improves efficiency, speed, and performance. So if you would like to check it out, click the link down in the description below. Let us know what you go on to make with it and if your content becomes even more successful. But without further ado, leave a like, subscribe down below, and let us know what you want to see next.